This is my 2026 Honda CR-V. Now, the one thing that drives me crazy on my car is the start-stop feature when you stop at a light and it shuts the engine off, and then once you hit the gas, it goes again. Well, I bought this gadget here, and I must say, it has completely eliminated that feature. I no longer have the start stop. We put this in to the console and it took about 2 seconds to actually put it in the car, and it is no longer doing any of that nonsense. My car runs and stops as it should. So if you're like me and you don't want to put your engine through all that, then you may want this 2-minute fix. And when I say 2 minutes, it literally will take you 2 minutes to put it in your car.